In this video, we are going to learn about HTML colors. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names or with RGB, hex, HSL, RGBA or HSLA values. So let's see an example so that you get a clear idea about these different color units. So you can set color for the background, for text and for border using the properties background color, color and border. So this particular section displays background color. So in the style attribute, you have to use background color property and then give any color of your choice. So on the browser, as you can see, first two paragraphs, these two sections are displaying background color property. Then we have text color. So in order to set color for the text, you have to use the property color inside style attribute. So this particular section displays text color property. So as you can see, these three lines display color property. Similarly, you can set color for the border using border property. And the browser, these three lines display border property. So in HTML, a color can be specified by using a color name. So in these three sections, we have directly used color names. As you can see, Dodger blue, tomato, medium sea green. But we can also use RGB, hex, HSL, RGBA and HSLA values. So in this section, these three lines display RGB, hexadecimal and HSL values. So as you can see over here, these three lines. Now RGB stands for red, green and blue, and HSL stands for hue, saturation and lightness. So you don't have to remember these colors. You can easily get these colors from HTML color picker. So you just have to Google HTML color picker. And in the next section, these two lines display RGBA and HSLA values. Now A stands for alpha, which sets the opacity for a color. So it ranges from 0.0 to 1. 0.0 means completely transparent and 1 means completely opaque. So this is how it looks on the browser. Now suppose we change the opacity to 0.0 for the first line and 1 for the next line. Let's see how it is going to look on the browser. So as you can see, this line is completely transparent, that is, it doesn't have any color, and this line is completely opaque. So that is all you need to know about HTML colors. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.